Today we are making a glitch effect like this. Welcome to Zimi Studio. Here go to the new composition. Make it 1920 by 1080. And 24 frames per second. Change color to black. Now import video a screen glitch effect. You can download this effect. I have added the link in the description. Drag the glitch effect video and drop it in the composition. Scale this up, doesn't really matter. Now let's go ahead and turn both of those off, the sound and the visuals. We're gonna take our text tool and I'm gonna type, you could type whatever you want, but I'm gonna type Zimi. Now choose your font, whatever you like. Now make it to the center. Now go to Layer, Adjustment Layer, click the new adjustment layer. Now go to Effects and Presets. Type Displacement Map, you want to find that and drag that to your adjustment layer. Here to Displacement Map layer, and make this react to the stock footage. And also drag the stock footage right between these two layers. Now text layer selected, go to Effects, Channel, and set channel. My text file, selected, press Ctrl+D or duplicate 2 times. Hit enter, and rename this one red. Hit enter and rename this one green. Hit enter and rename this one blue. Now select the text files and make blending mode, to screen all of them. Now red layer is selected in your effects panel, we're going to turn off green and turn off blue. Go down to green and turn off red and turn off blue. Go down to blue and turn off red and turn off green. Go to red, hit P on your keyboard to bring up position, and move it to the right a little bit. Go to green, move that to the left a little bit. Project file, glitch sound effects and stock footage, links in the description. And blue, we're gonna move that down a little bit. And we are all done. Play with the figures to make it better you wish. If you would like to learn more about video editing, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell to stay updated when we upload a new video on this channel. Do check out our other tutorials on this channel. And comment below to let us know what you want to learn next. Till then, stay creative with Filmora.